Assalamu alaikum students. Standard 5th, subject English, grammar, revision. Now students, the passage starts from here and ends here. So let us answer the questions from this passage. Now let us revise by solving these questions. So first is read the passage and answer the following questions. Do as directed. A. He has tried to tell his parents that it's possible to save the earth using the computers and the internet. And in bracket it is given state the perfect tense. Okay. And now the options are given present perfect tense, past perfect tense, future perfect tense. Okay students. So now as we know that here it is given he has tried. Now here as we can see this is which tense? Has tried. From this that he has tried to tell his parents that it's possible to save the earth using the computers and the internet. So this is what? This is present perfect tense. Right? So the correct option is first one, that is present perfect tense. Tense. B. Cosmos has incredible powers. Identify the adjective from the sentence. Now we have to identify what? Adjective from the sentence. So now what things are given? Options. Has, incredible, cosmos. So students, as we can see here, cosmos has which type of power? Incredible, right? So incredible is the adjective. So second one is the correct answer, that is incredible. C. Write the positive degree of poorer. Now poorer, as we know, this is which degree students? This is comparative, right? So the options are given poor, poors, poorers. Okay. So now let us find which is the correct option. So it is here, see, poor, and this is which? Positive degree. So students, first option is the correct one, that is poor. D. Annie's father Eric is a brilliant scientist and ever willing to answer all of George's questions. Okay, and here it is given identify the kind of adjective by selecting the correct option. Now here students, as we can see, it is given what in the option? Brilliant. So brilliant adjective of quality, brilliant adjective of quantity, brilliant adjective of number. So students, as we can see here, Annie's father Eric is a brilliant scientist. So here it becomes what? It is showing the quality, right? That Eric is a brilliant scientist. So first one, that is adjective of quality. So this is the correct answer. E. Write the positive degree of worst. And here in the options are given what? Bad, worse, badly. So now let us find the positive degree of worst. Okay. So here, as we can see here, bad, right? So bad is the positive degree of worst. Next, F. Eric has built a super intelligent computer named Cosmos. State the perfect tense. So students, as we can see here, that Eric has built. So here it is what? It is present perfect tense. So first one is the correct option. Now the next passage starts from here and ends here. Write the positive degree of better. So now let us find the positive degree of better. So it is here, good, right? So second one is the correct option. H. He is planning to steal Cosmos and all of Eric's research so that he can establish his own rule on another planet. And here it is given, identify the continuous tense. So we have to identify what? Continuous tense. So students, as we can see here, he is planning. So this shows what? This shows that this is present continuous tense. I write the superlative degree of great. Okay. So now we have to write superlative degree of what? Great. So here the options are given: greatly, greats, greatest. So let us find the answer. So come on students, find the answer. Okay, see here, greatest. Right, this is the superlative degree. Let us third option, greatest. Now let us read the poem and answer the following questions. Do as directed. A. While the sky is smooth and bright, identify the adjective from the sentence. And now the options are given what? While sky smooth. So students, the line is here, that is while the sky is smooth and bright. So yeah, now here smooth is the adjective, right? So third option is the correct one. B. Write the positive degree of largest. So now here the options are given what? Large, large, larger. And we have to write what? We have to write positive degree. So first let us find the answer from the poem. As we already know this answer, but here it is given what? Large, and it is positive degree. So large, that is option 1 is the correct one. Next, write the positive degree of brighter. Okay, now the options are given what? Brights, bright, brights. Okay, so let us find the answer. So it is here, see, bright. So which option is correct? Second one. So this option is the correct one. D. See the great green dragonfly. Now here we have to identify the adjective from the sentence. And in the options, let us see what are given. See great dragonfly. So as we can see here, students, that see the great green dragonfly. So what we can see? We can see great is the adjective over here. So second is the correct option. Now let us start with language study. A. Maria had gone out when I reached her house. Now here we have to identify the perfect tense. Okay. So students, as we can see here, Maria had gone out. Means this is which perfect tense? This is past perfect tense. So as we can see, second one is the correct option. B. The visitors dash the newly built house. And here it is in bracket, it is given admire, and then they have asked us fill in the blanks with the past continuous tense. And now let us look at the options. Is admiring, am admiring, were admiring. So is this the correct option? No. Am admiring? No. Were admiring? Yes. So the visitors were admiring the newly built house. Okay, so third one is the correct option. C. New silver expensive bracelet. Okay, so now students, here we have to select the correct order of adjective. So now let us look at the first one. Silver expensive bracelet new. No, this is not the correct order of adjective. Then bracelet new silver expensive. So here also it is not correct. Then here expensive new silver bracelet. So yes, this is the correct order of adjective, that is expensive new silver bracelet. Next, as cold as an dash. Complete the simile by selecting the correct option. So here it is given joker, ice, mango. So is joker cold? No. Ice? Yes. Mango? No. So as cold as an ice. So here ice is the correct option. E. Ram is old than Lakshmi. Select the correct sentence. So now here, this is the wrong statement given. We have to correct the statement by selecting the correct option. So Ram is older than Lakshmi. So no, this is not the correct one. Ram is oldest than Lakshmi. No, this is also not the correct option. Ram is older than Lakshmi. So yes, the third one is the correct option. They have bought a new car. And in bracket it is given, identify the perfect tense. Okay. So they have bought. Have. So here as we can see, this is what? This is present perfect tense. So first option is the correct one. Next, embroidered colorful long stole. And in the bracket it is given, select the correct order of adjectives. So students, here let us look at the options. So embroidered colorful stole long. So no, this is not the correct order of adjective. And here long colorful embroidered stole. Right? So this is correct. Now let us look at the third one. Colorful stole long embroidered. So no, this is not the correct one. So as we can see, second option is the correct one. That is long colorful embroidered stole. Next, she dash up a new job next week. And in bracket it is given take. So now we have to fill in the blank with the future continuous tense. So it will be what? Before that, let us look at the option. Will be taking, is be taking, was be taking. So as we can see, is be taking is not correct and was be taking is also not correct. Will be taking, it is the correct one, right? So first one is the correct option, that is she will be taking up a new job next week. Blow your own trumpet. And in bracket it is given, select the correct meaning for the idiom. So now let us look at the options. Proudly telling someone of your own achievements and successes. Overtaxing oneself. Something which is not understood. So as we can see here, blow your own trumpet. The correct meaning is what? Proudly telling someone of your own achievements and successes. So first one is the correct option. As straight as and dash. Complete the simile by selecting the correct option. So now let us look at the options. So that is wolf, arrow, silk. So is wolf straight? No. Arrow? Yes. Silk? No. So as we can see, second one is the correct option, that is as straight as an arrow. Okay. Empty vessel makes the most noise. Select the correct meaning of the proverb. Now let us look at the options. Good fortune comes once to all of us. Next, a prompt action will prevent future disasters. And next, a foolish person talks the most. So as we can see here, students, which is the correct meaning? It is the third one. That is, a foolish person talks the most. So this is the meaning of the proverb. Empty vessel makes the most noise. Okay, so third one is the correct option.